नमस्कार एंड गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आप सबको स्वागत है और सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ बिकॉज आई नो ऑल ऑफ यू आर वेरी बिजी. पार्लियामेंट सेशन इज गोइंग ऑन. Many of my journalist friends also called me that they were busy in parliament, but in spite of that you took a trouble to come here, and thank you so much for your kind support to Sahitya Academy, not only for this press conference, throughout the year and throughout the country, I should say, because I could say that many of in our meetings also I am saying media is such. Sahitya Academy's even smallest program also they cover very well wherever we organize programs, and even in our Ministry of Culture, more than 90% media coverage is Sahitya Academies, and that happened just because of you people's support. So we request all of you to extend the same kind of support and association with the Academy in future as well. Today our executive board, under the chairmanship of President Sahitya Academy, Professor Chandrasekhar Kambar, who is a very eminent Kannada writer, announced the Sahitya Academy Awards 2022 and also Sahitya Academy Translation Prize 2022. I will just read out the result of the awards. In Assami, the award goes to Manoj Kumar Goswami. It is a short story collection, Bhul Satya. And in Bodo, Sansrini Modira, it is a poetry collection by Rashmi Chaudhary. In Dogri, Chair Rupak is authored by Veena Gupta. It is a drama. In English, All the Lives We Never Lived is a novel by Anuradha Rai. In Gujarati, Gher Chatan, it is a autobiographical essays, Ghulam Muhammad Sheikh. In Hindi, Tumdi Ke Shabd, it is a poetry collection by Badri Narayan. In Kannada, Bahutvada Bharata Mattu Bauddha Tatvikate by Mudnakudu Chinnaswamy. It is a collection of articles. In Kashmiri, Jail Dub, it is a literary criticism by Farooq Fayaz. In Konkani, Amrut Vel, it is a novel by Maya Anil Karangate. In Maithili, Pen Drive Mein Prithvi, it is a poetry collection by Ajit Azad. In Malayalam, Ashante Sitayanam, it is a literary criticism by M. Thomas Matthew. In Manipuri, Lair Nung, it is a poetry collection by Koizam Shantibala. In Manipuri, I already mentioned. In Marathi, Ujavya Sondache Bahulya, it is a novel by Praveen Dasrath Bandekar. In Nepali, Saino, it is a drama by K.B. Nepali. In Vodia, Daya Nadi, it is a poetry collection by Gayatri Bala Panda. In Punjabi, Mai Ayam Ghosh Nahi, it is a short story collection by Sukhjit. Rajasthani, Alekhun Amba, it is a play by Kamal Ranga. In Sanskrit, Deep Manikyam, it is a poetry by Janardhan Prasad Pandey Mani. In Santali, Sabar Naka Balire Sanam Panjai, it is a poetry collection by Kajli Soren. In Sindhi, Sindhi Sahit Jo Muktasar Itihas, it is a literary criticism by Kanailal Lekhwani. In Tamil, Kalapani is a novel by M. Rajendran. In Telugu, Monodharma Paragam, it is a novel by Madhuratagam Narendra. In Urdu, Khwab Sharab, it is a novel by Anis Ashfaq. So due to some technical reasons, we couldn't announce the Bengali award, but our executive board has authorized president to take a decision whenever that jury meets, and on 30th our jury is going to meet and they will decide the award in Bengali. So immediately after that we will announce the Bengali award. So other 23 announced, and these awards are going to be presented to all these award winners on 11th March 2023 in Delhi Kamani Auditorium. 11th March 2023, and as you all know, the award amount is 1 lakh rupee. Along with that, we will give a plaque and shawl, and the awards are being presented to the award winners by the President Sahitya Academy. And similarly, as I already mentioned, Sahitya Akademi Prize for Translation 2022 in Assami, the translated book is Kochereti Arayanari. It is by Juri Datta, is a translator. It is a novel. Bodo Kabuli Walni Bengali Biji Raja Devajoti Basamtari. Again, it is a novel. In Dogri, Dehra Che Ajbi Ugdi Na Sarhe Bhute. It is a translation done by Nirmal Vinod. Again, it is a short story collection. In English, Punachi, or The Story of a Black Goat. Translator is N. Kalyan Raman. Is a Tamil novel translated into English. Gujarati, Ayodhya Kandam. Translator is Vijay Pandya. Is a epic poetry. In Kannada, Sita Ramayana de Sachitra Maru Kathana. Translator is Padmaja Dandavati. Is a fiction. In Kashmiri, Geetanjali. Translator is Shabnam Tilagami. In Malayalam, Vamana Charyante Kavyalankara Sutravritti. The translator is Chatanath Achyutan Unni. In Marathi, Salokyache Pradesha Shodh Sahishnu Bharatacha. The translator is Pramod Mujamdar. In Nepali, Shantanu Kulanandan. The translator is Purna Kumar Sharma. In Punjabi, Nagare Wang Wajde Shabat. The translator is Bhupinder Kaur Preet. In Rajasthani, Akhut Taslo. The translator is Madan Gopal Ladha. In Sanskrit, Amrut Phalam. It is a novel translated by Gopabandhu Mishra. In Sindhi, Kilyante Tangayal Shaks. It is a poetry collection translated by Bhagwan Atlani. In Tamil, Yad Vashen. A translator is K. Nallatambi. In Telugu, Akupacha Kavitalu. Varala Anand is a translator, has translated poetry collection. And in Urdu, Suno Radhika, the translator is Renu Behal. This translation prizes in Bengali, Hindi, Konkani, Maithili, Manipuri, Odia and Santhali will be declared before 31st December 2022. So again, this translation award amount is 50,000, as you all know, and this award function will be held later on the after our president advises. So the date has not been fixed, and as you know that Sahitya Akademi's Festival of Letters, that is week-long festival every year we organize, that will be from the 11th March to 16th March in Delhi. So we request now itself be with us all the 6 days during the festival and support us, because through you only Akademi can go to every nook and corner of the country. And on the 27th is 2022 translation prize, sorry, not translation, Yuva Puraskar 2022 will be presented to the all the award. With that awards we have already announced in the month of June, that will be presented on the 27th December in Delhi at Triveni Kala Sangam. So kindly be present there also, and I request your support.
Sir, what is the name of the book? Gayatri Bala Panda. You said collection of poetry.
It's a Dayanadi. 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 And as you know, every year we give Bhasha Sammans under category of medieval and classical literature. Again, that Bhasha Samman amount is also 1 lakh rupee, equivalent to the Sahitya Akademi award. And every year we give 2 Bhasha Sammans to medieval and classical literature. And zone wise we take East Zone, West Zone 1 year, and North and South Zone another year. Like that alternatively we. And this year today our executive board has approved for the Eastern Zone Bhasha Samman to Dr. Udaynath Jha, who is a professor and head of Sahitya department at Central Sanskrit University, Puri, Odisha. So he got the Bhasha Samman under the category of medieval and classical literature from the Eastern Zone, and the rest of the Bhasha Sammans will be announced later. So if you have any questions, you can. and thank you so much. And now we have displayed the award winning titles here. If you want, you can shoot them, and thereafter I request all of you to join at a IT that we have arranged. 11th March award presentation in Delhi, Kamani Auditorium. Thank you.